Hi, it's Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today we're going to be making date syrup. This is a really simple and quick recipe for you today. It only contains 2 ingredients and it's a brilliant replacement for your refined sugars. Okay, first of all, let's go through the ingredients. So we have our dates and water. So just like to add, with the dates, I like to use medjool. They are really nice and caramelly in flavour, that's why I like to use them. Just a bit of a note as well, always have a look at the ingredients on your dates. You'll be surprised at how many in produce departments have ingredients. Why? I don't know. Do we need ingredients in dates? I don't think so. So please just double check that. Okay, so for this I am going to be using a more powerful blender, your Vitamix. You can use other blenders, I just find the Vitamix got a bit more of a kick in it to be able to blend up the dates. The other alternative, you can leave the dates in the water for a couple of hours before blending and that'll soften the dates for you as well. So it's your dates in there, and now we're going to pop in your water. As I say, super simple recipe. I think we can go as far as saying that this is beyond really simple. It's super simple because that's it, your 2 ingredients, and all we're going to do now is just going to blend it up. Okay, now that we've blended that date syrup, I'm going to now pop it into a jar. There we go. And that is it. Your date syrup. It's as simple as that. Homemade date syrup. All you need to do now is pop it into your fridge and it will last you around 3 weeks. If you've enjoyed my video today, please do give me a like. And if you're new to my channel and you would like to see more of my really simple recipes, please do hit that subscribe button and also click the bell. If you've got any comments, any feedback, or you try the recipe and you want to leave your opinion, stick them below and I'll be more than happy to get back to you on that as well. Thank you for watching my recipe today.